This Autodesk Fusion tutorial shows you how to offset an offset. Traditionally in Autodesk Fusion, you couldn't offset an offset line, but now you can. Here I have a fully defined spline and I want to offset. So I click the offset tool, click this sketch line, offset by -10. Great. What if I wanted to make concentric rings of this complex spline? I don't want to have to redraw the spline and define it again. Now I can click offset, click this offset, and go another -10. I can even go back to this offset and go -10 again. This would have been very difficult in earlier versions of Fusion, but now you can offset an offset sketch line in Autodesk Fusion. Hopefully, you're able to use this new ability to offset offsets in Fusion to make all kinds of cool ring designs and fun 3D modeling projects. Happy 3D modeling!